Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing another reveal for our box of the month for October. So I'm super excited. There's only 2 more days until release day, October 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. Yesterday we revealed the really beautiful collection with these cute little owls. Yesterday we revealed the Deck the Owls collection. So gorgeous paper and coordinating ephemera. We created a cute card using both. And today we're going to reveal the second stamp set in your box. So if you love our Kiwi in Designs turkeys, you're gonna love these owls. So this one is called Holiday Owls, and I think it goes very nicely with the paper pad. So we're going to create a card with this. I did color up my images already, so let's share what I've done so far. We have this very cute owl with its eyes closed, some little earmuffs, and she looks like she's thinking or dreaming about something. We have this very cute owl with a little kind of like an elf hat, or it could be a Santa hat. There's some holly leaves right there in the corner of the hat. We have our third owl. So this one's like a Santa hat, and he is carrying some berries in its beak. We have the sentiment, Merry Christmas. We have this really cool tree. You could use this tree probably all year round if you wanted to. You could add some leaves to it. Dress it up how you want. There's little snow patches on it though. And then we've got like snow on the ground. We've got a snowflake. And another sentiment, Happy Holidays instead of Happy Holidays. So we're gonna create something really cute today. Let's start putting these cards together. I've cut out some beautiful patterns from the paper pad, and I've mixed some of the ephemera with the stamp. So we're going to just make cute little scenes on each of these panels. I got an A2 size card base for each, and we're just going to start gluing this down. So now you can make a pretty little edge with an edge die. If you have a hill die, you can do that. I kind of like breaking up some of the patterns sometimes with white space. I'm actually going to stamp a sentiment right here. So we are going to also glue down this green hill that I've created. I just wanted a little grounding for my images. I was thinking green because it matched the green, you know, in the design. But then I thought if it's like Christmas or, you know, it'll be snowing. So I should have did a white hill. So I did a white hill for this one. But you know what? I'm just going to go with the green. Maybe he's in Florida. So there's not snow everywhere, right? So we have snow here, but warmer climates out there that don't get snow for the holidays. So we're gonna have our little tree, and then our cute little owl. Aren't those owls adorable? And I wanted to tuck in the tree underneath the hill. Let's see if I could still do that. If I get my little pick out, if I can lift that up a little bit. There we go. I wanted to tuck in the trunk of the tree. So let's add a little glue to the back. And then I'm going to pop up this cute little owl. And then we're going to first stamp our sentiments. So I wanted to try an idea that I had in my head for the next card that I do, the next video. I wanted to take the branch stamp or the tree stamp and just use the branches as like a backdrop for like a little circle, like a window circle, and then have the branches inside there and then have my little owl peeking out. So I think that's going to be really cute. So I want to do that for my next video. So from the stamp set, I'm going to use the Merry Christmas. I think it's going to fit better. And we'll just stamp that right here. I'm going to use my favorite ink for sentiments. That looks really cute like that without the owl as well. So just remember, you can just make quick cards with your ephemera. Okay, so I'm going to just position him somewhere right about here. He is just too cute. And I'm going to dress this up with some glitter. So I have different glitters in my stash. This one's really pretty. This is Deco Art Glamour Dust. Very sparkly. I have this one in my stash. I think this is for nails, actually. And then I have an old Stampin' Up. This is so old. That's really pretty too. So I might just use that up. Okay, I'm going to just take my art glitter glue and add some glue to this puffy little part of his hat. I want to do it on the Christmas tree too. There's a lot of cute little glittery gold dots here. And we can just add some glue dots and then pour over our glitter and make it even prettier. Now I wish I had a little spoon. Let's see, I'm going to use this. Okay, that looks really, really pretty. Can you see that? So let me clean up my mess here. I'm going to play some music so we could speed through the rest of these two. Okay, I added some foam tape to the back so I could have my sentiment lifted off of my card base. I want to take a black memento marker and go around my sentiment here. And I'm just going to place that up here in the corner. Okay, and I'll add some glitter to this one as well. These berries look like they would love to have some glitter on them. And then on the earmuffs. Now we got 3 cute cards. So I hope you enjoyed these cards. They turned out super cute. And I hope you'll join me tomorrow for another day of peeks. We still have 2 more days till release day, October 1st, 9 a.m. Central Time at the Not Too Shabby shop. All the links will be in the description box for you. Head on over on October 1st, bright and early, to grab your box. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!